Current last class I completed till what?
So 53.
Some number 53. Number 53. Completed. Okay. 53. Ah. Now 54. A fish is looking through the water, sees outside world contained in a circular horizon. Very important sum. Many times asked in almost all the exams. A fish is at depth of 12 centimeter when sees outside, finds that outside world is in circular horizon. If refractive index is 4/3 of water, then what is, and fish is 12 centimeter below, the radius of the circle is. Now when the fish is looking up, this is fish looking up, sees that world is only up to certain region. What is meaning of horizon? Yes, Soham Bagatkar, any doubt?
No, sir.
Acha. What is meaning of horizon, Soham? Have you heard this word horizon anywhere else? English word horizon means what? Yes, Anay, what is meaning of horizon?
So means till where we can see, that is called horizon.
Yes, that means we see two things are meeting together. Beyond that, we cannot see. So suppose you are standing on the beach and see towards water, then you feel that water and sky are meeting at after a certain distance. That is horizon. So we feel उसके आगे पानी नहीं है, खाली sky है. That is horizon. So fish को क्या लगता है कुछ? There is no world outside that, उसको horizon दिख रहा है थोड़ी देर किधर तक, थोड़े distance के बाद. If horizon is visible, एग्जैक्टली व्हाट माइट बी हैपनिंग कि उसको लग रहा है कि हॉराइजन है इधर सर्कल, मतलब इधर लाइट नहीं आ रहा है ना, तो उसको लग रहा है इधर ही खत्म हो गया दुनिया ना पूरा.
Yes, sir.
तो लाइट इधर नहीं आ रहा है, तो लाइट किधर जा रहा है? इधर जा रहा है ना. व्हेन द लाइट विल कम ऑन द सरफेस, फिश इज लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स सरफेस, तो उधर उसके बॉडी से लाइट निकल रहा है, रिफ्लेक्टेड वाला. व्हेन द लाइट विल कम ऑन द सरफेस, एनी क्लू?
Angle of incidence is the critical angle.
Very good. When angle of incidence is critical angle, then it will be light coming on the surface. इधर कुछ नहीं आएगा, तो फिश को लगेगा अपना दुनिया इधर खत्म हो गया, क्योंकि उधर लाइट ही नहीं जा रहा है. Now if this is angle of incidence, even this is angle of incidence, alternate angle. Correct? This also followed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Both are alternate angle, that you follow?
Yes, sir.
Now, I know condition of refractive index and critical angle. What is sign of critical angle? 1 upon refractive index of denser medium with respect to rarer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if we consider mu is the refractive index of medium which is water, then sin C is 1 upon mu. But I am interested in R. R means opposite side upon adjacent side H12. मतलब आपको tan चाहिए ना, एक्चुअली tan मिलेगा तो आ जाएगा ना. So from sin C, I am interested in tan का value. Let me Draw one right angle triangle. If you take as C, in a right angle triangle, sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will be tan of C? तो इसका पहला निकाल लेता हूँ, ये म्यू स्क्वायर माइनस 1 हो जाएगा by Pythagoras theorem. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How many of you have followed this part? Patients looking up, उसको लगता है दुनिया खत्म हो गई, मतलब हॉराइजन, तो लाइट सरफेस पे आ गया, इधर नहीं जा रहा है. दूसरा मीडियम में लाइट जाता तो उसको दुनिया दिखती थी, तो लाइट सरफेस पे आ गया मतलब क्रिटिकल है. दिस टू एंगल्स आर वर्टिकली ऑल्टरनेट एंगल. तो मुझे डायग्राम में फिगर में क्लियर दिख रहा है कि tan मिला तो ऑपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट करके मुझे r मिलेगा, विच इज रेडियस ऑफ हॉराइजन. बट tan मुझे मालूम नहीं है. साइन ऑफ क्रिटिकल एंड रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स आई नो बाय क्रिटिकल एंगल डेफिनेशन, 1 upon mu. So in right angle triangle, if I take angle C, then sin C is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So this side I can find by using Pythagoras theorem, which is mu square minus 1 का root. इधर तक किसको किसको नहीं समझा? Everybody has followed till this?
Yes, sir.
Now see, from above triangle, tan of C is opposite side upon adjacent side. From figure, tan of C is opposite side R upon H. Can I equate these two then? एक tan C from the triangle, दूसरा tan C from this figure, उसको equate कर सकता हूँ क्या मैं?
Yes.
Okay, just copy till this, then I will get one formula in terms of H, R and V. Very, very important sum, frequently asked. This Sunday's test का topic you are aware no? Sunday's test topic you are aware?
Yes, sir.
Circular motion and whatever I do in this chapter.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
sir, you told that circular motion and that dispersion of light, no? Take.
Yes, that means what I am doing is dispersion of light.
Yeah. Done, sir.
Everybody has done till this? Hello, can I clear? Yes, can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from triangle we got tan, from figure we got tan. So I can equate the two. R by H becomes 1 upon root of mu square minus 1. So R is H upon root of mu square minus 1. So this formula, whenever it is given fish related sum, looking at horizon, I will keep in my mind so that I can complete my sum in 30 seconds. Now H is 12 centimeter. Mu of water 4 by 3 square minus 1. 12 upon root of 16 by 9 minus 1. R is 12 upon root of 7 upon 9. So R is 12 upon root of 7 by 3. R will be, 3 will go up, 36 upon root 7. That printing error is there, it is 36 into given, but it should be 36 upon root 7. That is the required answer. 36 upon root 7, option D. Very, very, very important sum. Once you complete, just give me signal.
Done, sir.
Okay, done, na? Chalo, everybody is done. Shall I clear it? Yes, can I clear?
Yes.
55. For a prism PQR, PQ equal to QR. What is meaning of PQ equals to QR? Is it isosceles triangle?
Yes.
Yes. And if one angle is 45, even this will be 45 by geometry, and this will be 90. So ultimately it becomes what? Can I say isosceles right angle triangle?
Yes, sir.
Now light is incident on longest phase and comes on PQ. This is incident normally. And then it is showing total internal reflection on QR. And from QR, again total internal reflection and coming back. This type of application, if you recollect, we did in reflecting prism.
Yes, sir.
So for reflecting prism, when this phenomenon will occur, when angle of incidence is greater than critical angle.
Yes.
So can I say above phenomenon is total internal reflection. This is only possible if angle of incidence is greater than critical. Everybody has understood till this?
Yes.
Greater than or sometimes equal to critical रहेगा तो थोड़ा सा होने का चांस है. Greater than equal to. So sin I should be greater than equal to sin C.
Yes.
Sin C means 1 upon refractive index of denser medium. Here it is glass. Okay.
Yes.
What is angle of incidence? Can you tell? What is angle of incidence? Angle made by incident ray with normal कितना आएगा? ये 45. This is 90. तो ये भी 45. मतलब ये भी 45 हुआ ना?
Yes, sir.
So angle of incidence is 45. What is sin 45? 1 upon root 2. So can I say refractive index will be greater than equal to root 2? That means minimum कम से कम root 2 तो रहना ही चाहिए ना?
हाँ, sir.
Root 2 means 1.414. Let us check whether they have given in root 2 or 1.414. Root 2, yes, root 2 में दिया है. Option C. Anybody who has not followed the concept? This is reflecting prism. That means it works on the principle of total internal reflection, which is possible if angle of incidence is greater than critical or just equal to critical. So minimum कम से कम इतना रहेगा, so it will show me total internal reflection. Yes, Karan, Anay, Amit, Mohit, Swaraj, Rajwardhan, everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
Soham, Hitarth, Kathan,
Yes, sir.
Nija, Vaishnavi.
Yes.
Okay. Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
how many sums you are doing daily?
Sir, now I'm doing 30 to 35.
So that means see, there is improvement in your mark also because you have increased the practice.
Yes, sir.
So slowly, slowly you increase till 50, then see your mark will never be less than 150 out of 180. तो जितना आप बढ़ाओगे प्रैक्टिस का लिमिट उतना आपका मार्क इधर रिफ्लेक्शन देगा. 30,
Yes.
35 is also not bad. But as I said, ya dil mange more. Try to come till 50. The day when you reach till 50 means you have increased your speed because you have practiced more sound.
Okay, sir.
Kathan, yes, good. Kathan, how many you practice daily?
Sir, 50, close to
Almost close to how much?
50.
30. थोड़ा बढ़ाओ. I feel के बढ़ेगा मार्क. देखो मार्क बढ़ रहा है आप लोग का.
30 नहीं 50.
ठीक है. See, I'm not asking engineering student because for them, either whatever you will get admission. But if you get best marks, then you'll get best college. Not getting admission is not criteria in engineering. Getting admission in good college is very important in engineering. And medical student, because of less number of seats, they have to put effort a lot. Even engineering has to put, but engineering में worst क्या होगा, college खराब होएगा. But I feel you have to work very hard so that you get it top 3 colleges.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move ahead then?
Yes, sir.
So next sum we are looking at 56. 55, can I clear with your kind permission?
Yes.
आयमन क्या चुपचाप बैठे हैं, कुछ बोल नहीं रहे? रब कर दो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 56. A ray of light is incident at angle of 60 degree on one face of prism which has angle of 30 degree. The ray emerging out of prism, that means angle of emergence, is 30 degree with the incident ray. No, sorry. Ray emerging makes 30 degree with incident ray. That means this is delta. What is refractive index of prism? Now see, what does it mean? Ray of light is incident at 60 degree on a prism whose angle is 30 degree. Ray of light is incident at 60 degree on one of the face of prism which is having angle of 30 degree. So this is that incident ray. Incident ray. The ray emerging makes angle 30 degree with this. मतलब वो वेस्ट हो गया ऐसा बोल रहे हो? दूसरा भी लो. तो एक काम करो ना, आप वो दो आपके पास पेंडिंग है मेजरमेंट्स के रख सकता है, अनय का और शायद करंट का, वो चेक करो. नहीं, इसने लिखा है अनय और करंट दोनों ने लिखा है, वो करो. फिर मैं अभी लेक्चर में भी देखूंगा. हाँ, आपका चल नहीं रहा क्या मोबाइल? तो कम से कम व्हाट्सएप पर ये नंबर आपका है, कैसे समझेगा मुझे? ये नंबर आपका है, कैसे समझेगा मुझे? So when ray of light is incident, it will undergo refraction and then emerge out. तो उसने बोला the ray emerging makes angle 30 degree with incident ray. अभी कैसा इमर्ज होगा मुझे मालूम नहीं. 30 डिग्री बना रहा है ऐसा बोला है. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
कितना डिग्री बना रहा है बोला है?
30 degree.
30 डिग्री. तो खाली इंसिडेंट रे एंड इमर्जेंट रे का बीच का एंगल, व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड एज? यस करण, व्हाट इज एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एंड इमर्जेंट रे कॉल्ड? angle of deviation. Delta is 30-degree angle of deviation. Siddharth, when we can use prism formula for any deviation or only for minimum deviation? Soham, when we can use prism formula?
For minimum deviation.
Only when it is given minimum. Is this delta minimum given to us?
No, sir.
No, so I can't start with prism formula. But can I start A plus delta is I plus E formula? कुछ तो मिलेगा ना? Because इसमें I है, A है, delta है, कुछ तो मिलेगा ना?
Yes, sir.
देखो अपने को चाहिए म्यू. म्यू मतलब साइन I एंड साइन R भी चलेगा. तो I है. To get R ये बाकी का वो लोग ने हिस्ट्री दिया है हम लोग को. A is 30, delta is 30, बहुत डिफिकल्ट सम है ये. I is 60, इधर मैं डिफिकल्ट लिख देता हूँ. कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझा तो रॉन्ग चले जाओगे. Now can you tell what is E? What is E? What is E? अरे so much time. 60 equal to 60. 0. हाँ बराबर. 0 का मतलब क्या? Light is coming normally or not? That means
Yes, sir.
मतलब ये लाइट क्या हुआ रहेगा? रिफ्रैक्ट हुआ और इधर से नॉर्मली बाहर आ गया. ये मीनिंग है ना इसका?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नॉर्मली आ गया तो E0. E0 मतलब R2 0 ना?
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज जिधर भी नॉर्मल वहां पे रिफ्रैक्शन नहीं, तो सेकंड सरफेस पे रिफ्रैक्शन नहीं है, मतलब सेकंड सरफेस पे R2 0 है. इधर तक कुछ डाउट?
No, sir.
अभी मेरे पास ए का एक और फॉर्मूला है R1 प्लस R2 प्रिज्म में. A60 30, R1 मालूम नहीं, R2 कैलकुलेशन से 0 मिला. सो R1 30 मिला ना आपको? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So once I know I know R1. Can I think Snell's law? Mu is sin I upon sin R. 1. Not followed?
Followed.
90% student will take prism formula. Prism में prism formula बार बार नहीं लगता है. Only deviation minimum होगा तो लगेगा. Now sin I means sin 60. Sin R1 means sin 30. Sin 60 I think you all know. Root 3 by 2 and sin 30 half. 2 cancel. क्या आ गया mu? Root 3.
Yes.
Answer can be root 3 or 1.732. We'll check in option. Answer is 1.732. चलेगा ना?
Yes, sir.
This is option A. Please solve. Very important. नहीं समझा तो please ask. 58 would be. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Just keep in mind when to use prism formula. Can you tell once again?
Minimum deviation.
Only when angle of deviation is given minimum. Now next sum 57. Kathan, can I clear this because you
Yes,
got
sir.
disconnected?
No, sir, I completed.
You're writing?
No, I completed.
Okay. 57. Minimum deviation. Clear cut word is given. Minimum deviation produced by glass prism of angle 60 degree is 30 degree. Clear बोला है minimum. If the velocity of light in vacuum, you can take as air, is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, then velocity of light in glass will be how much? See, mu ka, I told last class there are many formulas. Here I can use prism formula because angle of minimum deviation is given. By prism formula, we know mu is sine of a plus delta m upon 2 divided by sine a by 2. Also, mu ka formula of glass, we can take VA upon VG. So, VA upon VG, you can write sine of a plus delta m upon 2 divided by sine a by 2. Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
Now it is simple. 3 into 10 raised to 8 is speed of light in vacuum or air. VG we have to calculate. A is given 60, delta M is 30 divided by 2. Divided by sine 60 by 2. What is 60 plus 30?
90.
And 90 upon 2? 45? And this will be sine 30, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, so I can say VG is 3 into 10 raised to 8 into sine 30 upon sine 45. So VG equals to 3 into 10 raised to 8. Sine 30 is half and sine 45 1 upon root 2. Any doubt this also?
No, sir.
So root 2 will go up into 10 raised to 8 upon 2. 1.5 is 3 by 2. 1.414 into 10 raised to 8. This is 2.121 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Which option?
B.
Okay. Option D. 1 point.
B.
B you're saying? Okay, B for Bombay. Correct. Again, all sums are important. All selective and important sums have taken first. See, we are doing light section. In 11th, we are doing ray optics. In 12th, we will be doing wave optics. Together, there will be minimum 6 MCQ.
Answer.
Okay. Others have also, I think, done. Yes, Nija, done.
Yes, sir.
When to use prism formula?
When the deviation is minimum.
Only when angle of minimum deviation you are able to. So minimum angle of deviation of prism whose refractive index is 1.414 is equal to its refracting angle. Find the angle of prism. Can I use prism formula? Yes, can I use prism formula?
Yes, sir.
Because they have given angle of minimum deviation. Now, because we want A, so wherever I see delta M, I will write that as A only. 1.414 is mu sine of. What is A plus A?
2A.
2A upon 2. Can I write A?
Yes.
And this is sine A by 2 in the denominator. From maths, do you know formula for sine of A? 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
Upon sine A by 2. Sine A by 2, sine A by 2 cancel. Do you know that 1.414 is like root 2?
Yes, sir.
तो ये root 2 इसको 2 नीचे ले लेता हूं, is cos of A by 2. That means cos A by 2 is 1 by root 2. Cos of which angle is 1 by root 2?
45.
45 degrees. So A by 2 should be 45. That means A is 90 degrees. Very good sum again. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Copy. All beautiful sums we are doing. You'll get same thing in exam also. So when you are solving the paper, you will feel as if अपना sheet में से सब आ गया.
Done, sir.
Okay, let others also complete. चलो डन. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
59. A prism whose mu is 1.5 has refracting angle, matlab angle of prism 30 degree. See, don't get confused with refracting angle and angle of refraction. Refracting angle prism के लिए होता है, angle of refraction R होता है. The deviation of monochromatic light incident normally on one of its face will be how much? Incident normally on one of face, then deviation will be how much? Is it minimum deviation given? Hello? Is it minimum deviation given?
No, sir.
No, so I can't use prism formula. But incident normally on one face दिया है. So incident normally on one face, जहां पे भी normal incident किया, वहां पे R क्या हो जाता है? 0. So since
Yes.
on first face light is incident normally. Light is incident normally on first phase. Therefore, here R1 will be 0. Incident normally means I is 0. Don't take 90. R1 0. So from A, my formula is R1 plus R2. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So from this, can you get 30? R1 is 0. R2 is 30.
Yes, sir.
अब एक बार R2 मिला तो E मिलेगा, E मिला तो A plus delta is I plus E से delta मिलेगा. Now mu is, if light is coming from second phase, तो ये E upon sin R2 होता है. ये पता है आपको? ये लाइन, if light is incident, that means if it is incident like this from second phase, then this angle becomes our I and this will become R. That R is here R2 and this is E. So like I upon R. Okay. Hello. Hello. Any doubt till this?
No doubt.
Please copy till this first. See, they are not very simple sums. Huh? You have to actually understand all the concepts. कुछ भी doubt लग रहा है, keep on asking. When path of light is reversed, then this angle is our I, which is E, and this angle is R, which is actually R2. Okay, done now till this.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm putting the values to get E. Mu is 1.5. E I don't know. R2 we got 30. So sin E is 1.5. Sin 30 can I write half? So 0.75. E is sin inverse of 0.75. इधर ब्रैकेट में दिया है कौन सा एंगल है साइन इनवर्स, which angle of sine is 0.75 given? Hello, is it given?
Yes, sir.
How many degree? 48 degree.
36 minutes.
36 minutes. Now since a plus delta is I plus E, a is 30, delta I want to find, I is 0, this is 48 degrees, 36 minutes. So delta will become 48 degrees, 36 minutes minus 30 degree. See 30 degree here, no minute means 0. So 36 minute minus 0 minute is 36 minute. 48 degree minus 36 is 18 degree. है option 18 degrees 36 minute. 18 degrees 36 minute. Option A. Sorry. 59th option A, 18 degrees 36 minutes. Done?
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay. Sum number 60th. Deviation of 5 degree is observed from a prism. Deviation of 5 degree is observed from prism. Deviation means delta. It's 5 degree observed by prism. Whose angle is small means thin prism. And refractive index 1.5. Then what is angle of prism? For thin prism, we have proved delta is A into mu minus 1. So 5 is A into 1.5 minus 1. 5 is A into 0.5. A is 5 upon 0.5, which is 50 upon 5. Therefore, A is 10 degree. Option 10 degree option. नहीं मुझे नहीं। Yes, done.
Just a second. Yes, sir, done.
61. A certain prism is such that it produces minimum deviation of 38 degree. Now देखो minimum word है. A certain prism can produce minimum deviation at 38 degree. It produces a deviation of 44 degree when angle of incidence is either 42 degrees or 62 degrees. Then refractive index of material is how much? See, to get refractive index, I can use prism formula provided I know A, क्योंकि डेल्टा m तो दिया है. ये इसका क्या मतलब रहता है? दो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. Can anybody put highlight on this? टू एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस का मतलब क्या? Meaning of this is light is incident, undergoes refraction, comes out. ये डेल्टा है. So when you reverse the path, ये I1 होता है, ये I2 होता है. तो I2 E हो जाएगा. When you reverse the path, जो E था वो I2 है. So two angle means one is I, other is E in two different directions. Okay, this much again followed.
Yes, sir.
So here delta is 44. When you take I1 as I42, then I2 is E, which is 62. So A plus delta is I plus E. A plus 44 is 42 plus 62. A plus 44 is 104. A equals to 104 minus 44. A is 60 degree. Once I get A and delta, then I can easily get my required answer. So by prism formula, mu is sine of A plus delta m upon 2 divided by sine A by 2. Please copy till there. Okay, done.
So 1 minute.
Mu is sine 49 upon sine 30 by Prism formula after putting the values. How many of you don't know sine 30? मुझे लगता है सबको मालूम है ना what is sine 30?
Yes.
Sine 30 is half. Sine 45 I know, but I don't know sine 49. So mostly in exam they will give, because पहले ऐसा था कि judgment से करना चाहिए student. Then they have come out with the rule this value should be given. Just before 1 or 2 sum we got 48 degrees 16 minutes का 0.75 ना, बराबर?
Yes, sir.
तो ये approximately 49 के आसपास ही है ना,
हाँ सर.
so I'm writing 0.75. So it will become 2 into 0.75 close to 1.5. है क्या option देखो? Close to 1.5. Is the option there anywhere?
Sir, A.
क्या option? A.
Sir, in exam value will be given.
Yes, value they will give of 30, 60, 45, 90 ka they will not give. Other than that they will give. You don't expect sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. This they will not give.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Other than
Yes.
that. Yes. Completed? Yes, completed full.
Yes, sir.
Next sum. For a given prism, angle of incidence is changed from 0 to 90. That means it is increased or decreased? Angle of incidence. Hello?
Increase.
Increased. When I is increased, then we know graph of delta comes like this. This is called angle of minimum deviation. So when I is increasing from 0 to some angle up to 90, आगे, then delta is coming down, 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 and again increasing. So can I say when I is increased, delta first decreases and then again increases. First decreases again increases. Word is given in option D. First decreases and then increases. Yes, done. Done. थोड़ा फास्ट बोलो.
Yes, sir.
63. In a glass prism, blue color is dispersed more than red, or red is dispersed more, or yellow is maximum, yellow is minimum. See, maximum, minimum are extreme. It can't be yellow. Which color deviates maximum? Violet.
Violet, yes.
So can I say left wala gets dispersed maximum
Yes, sir.
and right wala minimum?
Yes, sir. Sir, option है.
तो ब्लू वाला लेफ्ट में है क्या राइट में है?
Left में.
लेफ्ट में है रेड का. तो ब्लू विल डेविएट मोर, दैट इज ऑप्शन ए, बिकॉज इट इज इन लेफ्ट ऑफ द रेड कलर. राइट कम डेविएट होएगा, लेफ्ट वाला ज्यादा. तो ब्लू एंड रेड में ब्लू इज ऑन द लेफ्ट, so therefore it will deviate more as compared to red. Can I clear now?
Yes, sir.
64th sum. White light is passed through prism whose angle is 5 degree. If refractive index for red and blue are 1.641 and 1.659, then angle of dispersion, also called as angular dispersion between them. What is formula for angular dispersion? Either you can write delta violet minus red, or you can write A mu violet minus mu red. ये extreme color था. Here violet is not given, blue is given. So I can say it is A into refractive index of blue minus refractive index of red. So A is 5, 1 point, blue they have given, 659 minus 641. So 5 into 9 minus 1, 8, 5 minus 4, 1, 6 minus 6, 0, 0.018. 8 into 5, 40, 5 and 4, 9, 0, 0.09. 0.09 option C. Direct formula based. 0.09 we are getting in option C. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
65. Dispersive power of material of prism. Dispersive power is denoted by omega 0.0221. If the deviation produced by it, yellow color, is 38 degree, then what is angular dispersion, matlab D, between red and violet color? By definition, do you know what is angular dispersive power? It is ratio of angular dispersion to mean deviation. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now angular dispersion is denoted by D, delta y. We can take mean deviation. I think you know this.
Yes, sir.
So 0.0221 is D upon 38. So D is 0.0221 into 38. 38 table is simple now क्योंकि खाली 1 2 करना है. 38 into 1 38 carry 3. 38 into 2 76 and 3 79 carry 7. 38 into 2 76 and 7 will become 83. After 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 check. 0.83 का आसपास में है क्या ऑप्शन? It is there close to this?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
B.
0.8.
Option B 0.84.
84.
Yes, rounded off 0.84 option. None of the sum is very difficult. Yes, tricky है. Minimum दिखा तो ही prism formula use करना. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
So this much we have done in the morning batch also. So today we